We're having a chat just off air very briefly about the difficulty of these markets. Before we crack onto the charts, how are you seeing things at the moment? What's it like out there for you?
Clearly still a negative bias, I think, overall. The Aussie market isn't quite a bear market in terms of definition, but obviously the US market is. And I think in terms of how this is going to play out, I struggle to see a sustainable rally while we have rates going up. So, but I'm still of the view that I mentioned a while ago that there'll be a point where they just can't continue raising rates. They won't tame inflation by raising rates without completely destroying the economy. So we'll get to a point where they'll need to pause. And obviously, if we see some of these other factors that are contributing to inflation start to die down, then that will be a catalyst for the market to rally. So I know that's sort of what some commentators were saying at the end of last week. Maybe they're not going to raise rates too much. Oil and other commodities have come down, so let's get a bit excited. I think it's early days. So I'm expecting a little bit more pain for maybe a couple of more months, a few more months, a couple of more rate rises to come in, and then when we see that pivot, that's where I think you'll have a sustainable rally in markets.